Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the card balance and that the card matches your Epic account region. Mismatch blocks redemption. Sign into your PSN account on the Ps5 and verify your Epic account is linked. This ensures V-Bucks land in the right place. Once done, carefully reveal the 16-character code and keep it in view. That precision prevents mistyped characters. Start the redeem flow immediately on the Epic or PlayStation Store to avoid confusion between platforms. You go straight to the PlayStation Store and choose Redeem Codes. Type the 16-character code exactly as shown because a single wrong character aborts the process. After entering the code, check the displayed currency and the amount. This prevents accidental purchases or region differences. Confirm the redemption, then launch Fortnite, and if prompted, sign into your Epic account so the added credit or V-Bucks syncs properly. This step ties the payment to your Fortnite inventory. You finish by launching Fortnite and immediately checking your locker or the V-Bucks balance to confirm the credit applied. That visual check ensures success. If you don't see the funds, make sure your Epic and PSN accounts are correctly linked, sign out and back in, and use Restore licenses on Ps5. These actions often force a sync. If issues persist, record any error codes and contact PlayStation or Epic support, providing that code speeds resolution and explains why the transaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.